Topic name is health benefits. Smiling can help people lower their heart rate and recover from stress faster. Faster help the human system to function more effectively both by reducing stress and improving your immune function as a consequence of being relaxed. The muscles used your brain to produce more the best medicine. It can release which can help you to feel happier to more positive. Beside facial expressions such as smiling can lift one's mood and increase positive throughout the show. Whenever you are feelings a little blue, try smiling. It might make you feel better. In addition to being a natural way to cover up those the smiling has a ton of skin friendly beauty benefits, including straight reducing, makes your look younger. The smile can your face and make you feel more confident and approachable, makes your brain release in the hormones of please sure that immediately feel you sense of well-being. And in bits of not only does smiling makes us feel good emotionally, but it also gives us physiological woods. An attractive straight smile also hints at personality and achievement. The physical act of smiling activates pathway in your brain that influence your emotional state, meaning that by adopting happy facial expression can trick your mind into entering a state of happiness. Those who smiled in the short did indeed live longer. help to support weight loss by suppressing boosting metabology, increasing energy levels. Synthetical drugs designed to produce the smile in nature's best antibodies for discouragement. It brings rest to the very sunshine those who are sad and hope to those who are hopeless and defected. A smile is so valuable that it cannot broadened release feel good hormones. They also release the help to body fight infection and boosts the immune system, your stress levels increase production and heart diseases. A good and smile are a work out for your heart. The characteristics beautiful smile include white teeth, strength teeth, and above all health teeth. You can keep your teeth in good shape by flossing, brushing, visiting your too much facial expression, including smiling, can associated the rate at which wrinkles are formed. Purely white smiles are the most attractive because they look clean and well taken care of through some discolorations. Natural over time, certainly. Lifestyle factors can accelerate to darkening process and cause staining, increase mood enhancing hormones while decreasing strength enhancing the including also reduces overall blood pressure. And because you are typically smile when you are happy, the muscles used the brain produce more the chemical that relieves pain and state. A special area called Brodmann's area, responsible for controlling facial movements, including those that produce smiles and the brain larger in women than the man, which may explain why they smile more often than their male counterparts. The smile can create a welcoming feeling and make the situation less